In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an email campaign in Mailerlite. By the end, you'll know exactly how to go from a blank account to a polished, scheduled email that's ready to send to your audience. First, log into your Mailerlite account. Once you're on the main dashboard, look to the sidebar and find the section labeled Campaigns. This is where all of your email broadcasts live. Click into Campaigns and then click the Create Campaign button. This starts the process of building a brand new email. Next, you'll choose what kind of campaign you want to create. Mailerlite offers options like a regular campaign, an A/B split test, or an RSS-based campaign. If you're just getting started, a regular campaign is usually the best and simplest choice. After picking the type, you'll be asked to choose your editor. You can use the drag and drop editor, a rich text editor, or custom HTML if you prefer to code your own designs. For most people, the drag and drop editor is the easiest because you can visually add and rearrange blocks. Inside the editor, start designing your email. Drag in content blocks like text, images, buttons, and social media icons, and then click on each one to customize it. You can adjust fonts, colors, spacing, and alignment so that everything matches your brand. If you have existing templates, you can apply one and simply update the content, or you can build a new layout and save it as a template for future campaigns. Take your time to add your actual email copy, your images, and any links you want people to click. Once your design looks good, you'll move on to the campaign details. Here, enter an internal campaign name, which is just for you and your team to recognize the campaign later. Then, add the subject line that your subscribers will see in their inboxes. You'll also fill in the sender name and sender email address so recipients know who the message is from, and add a pre-header. The pre-header is that short preview text that appears next to or below the subject line, and it can really help increase opens. Now, choose your recipients. You can select from your existing groups or segments depending on who you want to target. Make sure you're sending to the right audience for this specific message. Before you send anything, use the preview and test option. Mailerlite lets you open a preview and also send a test email to yourself. Check the email on both desktop and mobile, and click through the links to confirm everything works. When you're happy with the design and details, click Done Editing. You'll see a final review screen where you can double-check your subject, sender information, and recipients. From here, choose whether to send the campaign immediately or schedule it for later. You can set a specific date and time, and if available on your plan, you can use time zone-based sending so subscribers receive the email at a consistent local time. Once everything looks right, confirm your choice, and your Mailerlite email campaign is ready to go.